وہ ہاشمی مکی مدنی العربی ہے، وہ میرا نبی میرا نبی میرا نبی ہے، وہ میرا نبی میرا نبی میرا نبی ہے۔
انگریزی زبان میں زیر بحث موضوع پر اپنے خیالات کا اظہار کریں گی سینٹ جوزف کانوینٹ اسکول سے پرنور راشد۔ رسول مجتبیٰ کہیے، محمد مصطفیٰ کہیے، رسول مجتبیٰ کہیے، محمد مصطفیٰ کہیے، خدا کے بعد بس وہ ہیں، پھر کیا کہیے۔
Assalamu alaikum. We are all gathered here today to discuss an extremely significant subject, which is education and training in the light of the Prophet's morals. The pursuit of knowledge is a sacred journey. This topic emphasizes the importance of education and training individuals, especially children, in a manner that aligns with the teaching morals and character of our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Our beloved Prophet said, "Whosoever follows a path to seek knowledge, therein God will make easy for him a path of paradise." This highlights the importance and value of education in Islam. And it also highlights the significance of instilling Islamic values and principles in the learning and development process, guiding individuals towards a righteous and virtuous path. The Prophet's character is a shining example for us. His compassion, honesty, justice, and humility inspires us to follow him. By integrating these values into our education system, we can create a holistic learning that nurtures the mind's heart and soul. It creates some very effective changes that we see among us. For example, an honest student who finds a wallet in the school hallway and returns it to its owner, demonstrating the prophetic value of honesty. Or a compassionate teacher who goes out of her way to help her students, showing empathy and kindness, inspired by the Prophet's compassion. In the words of our Prophet, the ink of the scholar is more sacred than the blood of the martyr. We must lead by example, demonstrating these values in our lives. Parents and teachers must work together to instill these values in our child. They must be taught to be compassionate, honest, and just. Let us work together to create a generation that combines knowledge with character, intellect, and integrity, and wisdom. A generation that will illuminate the world with the light of the morals. I would like to conclude my speech with a saying by our holy Prophet, peace be upon him. Seeking knowledge is an obligation upon every Muslim. Thank you.